Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Upwork mobile app to your bank step by step clearly. Open the Upwork mobile app on your device. Log in to your Upwork account using your credentials. Navigate to the Profile section from the home screen. Tap on Get Paid to access payment options. Select the Withdraw Funds option from the menu. Choose your withdrawal method, which in this case is bank transfer. If this is your first withdrawal, you will need to add your bank account details. Enter your bank account number, routing number, and any other required information. Make sure to double-check your bank details for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on Save to store your bank information. Now, return to the Withdraw Funds section. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the withdrawal request to ensure everything is correct. Tap on Submit to finalize your withdrawal. You will see a confirmation message indicating your request has been received. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds, which may take several business days to appear. If you have any issues, consult Upwork's support resources for assistance. That's it, you have successfully withdrawn funds from the Upwork mobile app to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.